Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve our Bluetooth problem in our Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to solve your Bluetooth problem, so guys you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how can we solve our Bluetooth problem in our Motorola phone device. So guys, when you use guys your Bluetooth is to not connect and disconnect. When you connect any device, it disconnect in your Motorola phone. So don't worry guys, in this video guys, I will show you guys how can you solve your Bluetooth problem. So then first of all open your phone setting without waste time. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see your phone system setting guys. So guys tap here and guys click on this advanced and guys click on this reset option. Reset option. First one guys you can see your reset setting. So guys tap here. Guys you can see your Bluetooth. Reset setting, tap here, again click. Setting has been reset in your Motorola phone. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth without any problem guys. After guys you have any problem in your Bluetooth setting, so guys don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.